Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're taking a really close look at the 9Movies Kodi Addon. We're going to break down exactly what it does, how it all works, and most importantly, how you can set it up while keeping your home network totally secure.
So tell me if this sounds familiar. You're looking for a quick, non-debrised streaming option for Kodi. We all know the drill by now, right? A lot of the top-tier Kodi add-ons out there basically force you to have some kind of premium integration to work well. But sometimes you just don't want the hassle of another subscription. Sometimes you just want a fast, straightforward, and entirely free alternative that gets right to the point. Well, that's exactly where this add-on comes into play.
Here's our blueprint for today's explainer. First, we've got the briefing. 2, the deployment. 3, the interface. 4, the evaluation. And finally, number 5, our security protocol. Let's get to it.
Part 1. The briefing. Meet 9Movies. This is a brand new, on-demand movie and TV show add-on straight from the Zeus 768 repository, and it's been getting quite a bit of attention lately for delivering content without that premium toll.
Now, the absolute game changer here is that it's non-Debrid. If you're a Kodi veteran, you already know what that means. But basically it means this add-on gives you free streaming links right out of the box. You don't have to hook up a paid premium account like TorBox or Premiumize to actually access the media. It just uses public links completely free.
And when it comes to versatility, it is huge. The source text actually tested this out on an ON 4K+, but honestly, it works across the board. Fire TV, Google or Android TV boxes, your PC, your Mac, even your tablet. Essentially, if it can run the Kodi software, you're good to deploy this add-on.
All right, moving right along to part 2, the deployment. Let's walk through this step-by-step installation guide.
Okay, phase 1 is all about prep. You're going to want to launch your Kodi application. Hit that little settings icon and choose System. Next, just hover over the add-ons menu and make sure Unknown Sources is toggled on. Kodi's going to throw a little warning your way, but just hit Yes. This is standard procedure for setting up any third-party add-on. Into phase 2, adding the source. Head back to the System page, open up the File Manager, and click Add Source. Now listen, this part is absolutely crucial. You have to type this URL exactly as it's written, https://repo.redwizard.xyz. Literally one typo here and the whole installation fails. Once you've got that typed in perfectly, name it something easy to remember, like repo, and hit OK.
Moving on to phase 3. Just back out to the main system screen, click Add-ons, and then choose Install from zip file. Find that repo you just named, click it, and look for a file called repository.redwizard.zip. Click that, and then just hang tight. Don't press anything else until you see the red repo add-on installed message pop up on your screen.
For phase 4, we need to extract the specific repository we want from that broader red repo we just added. So click Install from Repository, select the red repo, and head into the Add-on Repository section. You'll spot the Zeus 768 repository right there. Select it, hit Install, and again, just wait patiently for that confirmation pop-up.
And finally, the last piece of the puzzle, phase 5. Click back a few screens and select your freshly installed Zeus 76 repository. Scroll down to Video Add-ons, find 9Movies, and hit Install. Boom. Once you get that final 9Movies add-on installed message, you can head all the way back to your Kodi home screen. You've officially deployed the software.
Part 3. The interface. Let's explore the features and navigation.
The second you open 9Movies, you're going to notice how incredibly simple the design is. Looking at the core categories, it's just super clean and uncluttered. You've got movies, TV shows, My Downloads, Favorites, Search, and Settings. There's no confusing bloatware to navigate through. It is strictly focused on getting you to your content fast.
Inside those main categories, you'll find all the subcategories breaking down different genres. But honestly, the search function is the real star here. You just punch in a standard title, and the response time is remarkably quick. Once you make your selection, the add-on aggregates a bunch of free link options for you, offering a nice variety of resolutions and video qualities to fit whatever your connection speed happens to be.
Which brings us to part 4, the evaluation. Time to weigh the pros and cons.
So let's look at the bright side first. The biggest pro? You are getting a completely free, non-Debrid streaming tool with a wonderfully simple UI. Plus, it comes from the veteran Zeus 768 developer, which is the same mind behind highly rated past add-ons like the Celts and Genesis Revivals. You can also easily pin your go-to titles to your favorites, but we gotta talk about the cons. Because it relies entirely on free streaming links, you are for sure going to hit buffering more often than you would with premium Debrid alternatives. Also, since this is a brand new release, its long-term update commitment is totally unproven right now. Actually, scratch that, it's essentially just another Fenlight AM fork, so it's jumping into an already very crowded space of similar tools.
All right, Part 5, Security Protocol. This covers crucial legality and safety, and you definitely want to tune in for this part.
So here's the absolute most critical thing you need to know. When the source text scanned that host repository URL, the red repo we used earlier, through VirusTotal, it flagged exactly one suspicious file associated with malware. Just one. Now sure, false positives happen, but honestly, even one single flag is plenty of reason to mandate strict safety measures on your local network.
Then there's the legal side of things. Look, 9Movies is an unverified third-party source. It is completely impossible to determine if add-ons like this actually hold the proper licensing for the massive libraries of media they provide access to. Because of that, the end user, yep, that means you, is ultimately responsible for all the content accessed through these unverified applications.
To ensure you remain safe and entirely compliant, we have to look directly to the source text strict recommendation here. They state, Troy Point recommends only accessing media not protected by copyright, such as those that fall under public domain status. That is, without a doubt, the safest way to utilize this kind of software.
Because of that flagged file and just the generally unverified nature of the add-on, here is our mandatory security protocol. Always, always use a VPN. A virtual private network masks your digital fingerprint, securing your connection from your ISP, government agencies, and even the developers of these third-party apps themselves. It's really the only way to ensure your online streaming activity stays 100% anonymous.